Hi everyone, this is Clint from Dally's Vintage Days, and today we're going to show you basically how to fix your front loading washer that's having drainage problems. So what we found with ours is that we continue to get an error message saying, it's specifically on this model is F21, but saying it will no longer drain. And if you can see down in here, it's got standing water sitting in the bottom of it. Today we'll just go take it step by step. We'll start by cleaning out the drain trap, which we have not yet done. We've probably had this unit for 8 or 9 years and I have not done it. So I have a feeling it's going to be a little bit like a time capsule when we pull it apart, but just a couple steps, so we'll get started. So most of these front loading units have a little area on the bottom that you can kind of pop off. Sometimes there's screws, but ours will just pop off these little tabs you can see. So we'll go ahead and pull that thing off and slide it to the side. And you can see there is some hardware here. Just get a little socket wrench. We'll go ahead and pull those off. From there, we're going to go ahead and just pop off this piece. And as you can see, there's little guiding pins here for when you put it back in. And looky there. We have our catch. So what we're going to go ahead and do next is we're going to grab a bucket first, but then we're going to go ahead and loosen the cap on that and see what we find. Just give this thing a nice twist. And stuff's already coming out of it, so alright, we're going to go ahead and clean that out a little bit. I suspect with as much water that's in this bucket, that has solved our... Yeah, we are dry in here now. Nothing. So just take a quick sec, run your finger into the hole that leads right into the pump, and you can feel a little propeller deal there, and I can just turn it with my finger, but another one of the problems could be, you know, the whole pump could have been seized, and if there was something in there, you know, we'd want to just go ahead and yank it out. Okay, so we got our trap. I mean, we've cleaned it out pretty much the best we can. And one thing I'll tell you is that water we pulled out of there, it was pretty stinky, and I didn't think about it, but I've noticed on occasion that pull open that washer door, you know, maybe something smells a little funky or something like that, but I think we figured it out because cleaning out that trap, there was a ton of stuff in there. Okay, we'll go ahead and put the trap back in. Make sure it's nice and tight. I'm going to run a test load through it, come back in a minute or two and let you guys know if it worked. Okay, our clothes are clean. Let's take a look. There is no standing water. That sucker is dry as a bone. Okay, now that we know our problem solved, we'll just go ahead and reattach our two front panels. Like I said, it's just the 3 pieces of hardware for the one that covers the trap, and then we'll probably just clean this out. I'll get my old concrete bit back, and we can call it a day. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Again, this is Clint from Dally's Vintage Days. If you liked, please like. Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and thanks again for joining us. So here's our trap, our time capsule. Go ahead and take a look and see what kind of junk is in here. Because it has been years. I got DS pens. Change, all kinds of hair ties and barrettes, Legos, garbage, and that's the kind of stuff that we put in our pockets. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and clean this out. We got stone stuck, pebble stuck in the couple of these holes. Look, you got the back, hit them out from the other side.